Understanding the project lifecycle and development methods. The project lifecycle is the backbone that guides a team through the various phases of a project, from initial conception to final delivery. It provides a framework for structuring work into logical sequences, ensuring that each phase is completed in an organized and strategic manner. Understanding and selecting the most appropriate project lifecycle and development methods is a crucial responsibility for the project manager, as these choices directly impact the quality of results, stakeholder satisfaction, and overall process efficiency. Each project is unique, and the selection of the lifecycle and development methodology must account for various factors, such as project complexity, available resources, timelines, and specific objectives. A project manager must be adaptable to different contexts, integrating the life cycle with operational methodologies and consistently monitoring progress to implement necessary adjustments. This dynamic approach ensures that the project remains aligned with its goals while being flexible enough to address emerging challenges and opportunities. The role of the project life cycle. The project life cycle represents a sequence of phases through which a project progresses, offering the team and project manager an organized and predictable process. Understanding the life cycle enables better resource management, anticipation of potential issues, and assurance that each phase is completed with clearly defined objectives. While the life cycle provides a structured path, it is not rigid. It can be adapted to the specific needs of the project and may vary depending on the industry, team, and goals. A comprehensive understanding of the life cycle allows the project manager to clearly identify responsibilities and define objectives for each phase. From the initial planning, where the project takes shape through strategic goals and allocated resources, to closure, where deliverables are validated and lessons learned are documented, every phase is critical to overall success. A proactive approach to managing each phase ensures not only that deliverables are completed on time and within budget, but also that the value generated aligns with stakeholder expectations. Flexibility within the life cycle. While the phases of the life cycle follow a logical order, maintaining flexibility is essential. A project manager must be open to iterations and continuous improvements without compromising the final objectives. Agile approaches may have short, iterative life cycles, while traditional projects may follow a more linear structure. Both methods share the common goal of ensuring clear and results-oriented management. Agility and flexibility allow the project manager to respond effectively to changes in stakeholder requirements, resource availability, or external market conditions. This adaptability is a key factor distinguishing an effective approach from a rigid one, ensuring that the project remains resilient and aligned with its goals. Integrating development methods. The choice of development methods such as predictive, iterative, or hybrid approaches must align with the project life cycle to ensure coherence and effectiveness. For example, predictive, waterfall, suitable for projects with well-defined objectives and stable requirements, where a linear and detailed plan is essential. Iterative, agile, ideal for projects with evolving requirements, allowing continuous feedback and adjustments throughout the process. Hybrid combines elements of both predictive and iterative approaches, offering flexibility in execution while maintaining structured planning. Key takeaways. By mastering the integration of the project lifecycle with suitable development methods, a project manager ensures that each phase contributes effectively to achieving overall objectives. This approach not only improves efficiency and reduces risks, but also creates a structured yet adaptable environment where the project can thrive. With strategic foresight, attention to detail, and a commitment to continuous learning, the project manager transforms the life cycle into a robust tool that drives success while meeting stakeholder expectations. The initial phase of a project is a pivotal moment where the foundation for its overall success is laid. It is during this stage that a clear strategic vision is defined, one that will guide all subsequent activities. The project manager plays a central role in this phase, identifying primary objectives and engaging stakeholders to ensure their expectations are clearly understood and integrated into the project roadmap. This requires not only a deep understanding of the project's dynamics, but also strong communication skills to align the diverse interests of stakeholders. An essential aspect of this phase is determining the resources necessary to achieve the objectives. This process involves a detailed analysis that accounts for budget, available time, and required competencies. Simultaneously, an initial structure is created to define the project's scope, providing a clear view of expected deliverables and prioritizing goals based on strategic importance. The project manager must translate this vision into a roadmap that not only guides the team, but also ensures the project's long-term sustainability. The initial roadmap becomes a key tool for steering the project through its subsequent phases. It is not merely an operational document, but a tangible representation of the project concept, capable of adapting to emerging needs while remaining focused on core objectives. Through meticulous planning, the project manager establishes operational boundaries, identifies potential risks, and develops preliminary strategies to address them. The ability to anticipate obstacles and set up preventive solutions during this stage largely determines the smoothness of operations in later phases. Dialogue with stakeholders during this phase goes beyond gathering information. It aims to build a relationship of trust based on transparency and shared goals. The roadmap serves as more than a plan. It becomes a communication tool that reflects the project manager's commitment to meeting agreed expectations. Every decision made during this crucial phase sets a benchmark for measuring future progress, making this stage the solid foundation on which to construct an effective and sustainable project. By investing time and effort into comprehensive planning and stakeholder alignment during the initiation phase, the project manager ensures a clear path forward, paving the way for smoother execution and increased chances of success. Detailed project planning is a critical phase where the initial concept is transformed into an organized structure and a solid operational strategy. This stage is essential for converting the overarching vision into a practical plan that guides the team toward achieving its objectives. The project manager plays a central role in defining every aspect of the project, balancing ambitious goals with available resources and constraints. A well-crafted plan is not merely a list of tasks, it is a comprehensive strategic framework that anticipates challenges and optimizes workflows. A cornerstone of detailed planning is the creation of a work breakdown structure, WBS, which breaks the project into smaller, manageable tasks. This hierarchical decomposition provides clarity for each component, identifying all elements necessary for project completion. A well-designed WBS facilitates the assignment of responsibilities and enables more accurate resource estimation. Through this structure, the project manager can identify critical dependencies among tasks and foresee potential bottlenecks that could slow progress. Another key element of planning is defining milestones, which serve as checkpoints and verification points for the project. Milestones act as benchmarks for measuring progress, ensuring alignment with established objectives. They are not just temporal targets, but opportunities to evaluate results, identify deviations, and implement necessary corrective measures. Milestones provide the team with clear direction and consistent motivation, emphasizing the significance of each phase in achieving the final outcome. Resource allocation is another crucial aspect of detailed planning. It requires a deep understanding of the team's capabilities, budget limitations, and available timelines. The project manager must ensure that each task is adequately resourced, avoiding waste and overburdening the team. Efficient resource distribution not only enhances operational effectiveness, but also sustains workload balance and prevents burnout, ensuring steady progress. Risk management is integral to ensuring project resilience in the face of uncertainties. Tools like risk matrices and probability impact analyses enable the project manager to identify potential obstacles and develop preventive strategies to mitigate their effects. This analysis goes beyond prevention, encompassing response plans to address issues promptly and effectively. Robust risk management strengthens stakeholder confidence and ensures project continuity even in unforeseen circumstances. Detailed planning is the strategic heart of any project, providing clear guidance and structural support for all future activities. By combining tools such as the WBS, resource allocation strategies, milestone definitions, and risk management processes, the project manager creates a comprehensive plan that not only directs the team, but also empowers it to face challenges with determination and confidence. Decisions made at this stage are pivotal in building a successful project, one that achieves its objectives while adhering to timelines, budgets, and quality standards. The execution phase of a project is where strategy is translated into concrete actions, bringing the results of planning and preparation to fruition. In this phase, the project manager assumes the role of an operational director, coordinating team activities and ensuring that each task aligns with the predetermined objectives. Continuous monitoring and performance control are essential to verify that the project is on schedule and that resources are utilized optimally. Success in execution depends not only on task completion, but also on maintaining a dynamic balance between achieving objectives and adapting to unforeseen circumstances. Direct supervision allows the project manager to identify deviations between plans and operational reality promptly. Utilizing monitoring tools such as interactive dashboards and progress reports provides a clear, real-time view of the project's status. This approach not only tracks progress, but also identifies inefficiencies, such as bottlenecks or tasks requiring more time or resources than anticipated. Transparency in collected data is fundamental to the decision-making process, enabling timely interventions and precise corrective strategies. Coordinating team efforts involves ensuring that each member clearly understands their roles and responsibilities while maintaining motivation and focus on a common goal. The project manager must strike a balance, intervening to support struggling members, resolve conflicts, and distribute workloads equitably. In terms of material resources, continuous verification of the availability of tools, technologies, and materials is essential to prevent delays or interruptions caused by inadequate planning. Flexibility and readiness to address changes are critical during this phase. Projects rarely follow a linear trajectory, and new challenges, such as requirement changes, technical surprises, or external pressures, often arise. The project manager must balance the need for adaptation with maintaining consistency in relation to the main objectives. Regular communication with stakeholders ensures that necessary adjustments are negotiated and agreed upon, fostering shared decision-making and support from all involved parties. Effective performance control extends beyond tracking progress to include analysing the quality of deliverables. Ensuring that outputs meet the standards established during planning is crucial to avoid rework and meet stakeholder expectations. Regular quality checks maintain high levels of reliability and strengthen confidence in the project and its team. The execution phase serves as a practical test of the project manager's ability to balance rigor with adaptability, respond agilely to challenges, and keep the team motivated. Every decision, action, and control measure taken during this phase directly impacts the project's ability to adhere to timelines, budgets, and quality standards, reinforcing stakeholder perceptions of success. The final step of the project lifecycle involves validating deliverables and verifying that objectives have been achieved. The project manager oversees the closure process, gathering stakeholder feedback and documenting lessons learned to improve future projects. This stage offers an opportunity to reflect on successes and identify areas for improvement. The project lifecycle forms the core of project management, where every phase demands attention, planning, and clear communication to ensure smooth progression. A project manager proficient in navigating this structure ensures that projects are completed successfully and serve as benchmarks of management excellence.